Savvy Serena. Today I'm making a baked taco casserole. You need 2 pounds of ground meat. You need some taco seasoning, some milk. It can be whole milk. This is all I have right now, so I'm using it. You need 3/4 of a cup of that. You need Bisquick. I'm using the Great Value brand. It works just as well. You need 1 3/4 cups of that. You need 4 eggs. Toppings, you're going to need 2 cups of cheese, some diced tomatoes, some sliced black olives, and a 1/2 cup of sour cream and lettuce, and all this is going on top. Start by preheating your oven to 400 degrees. Add 4 eggs to the mixing bowl. Add 3/4 a cup of milk until combined. And 3/4 cups of Bisquick. Now stir together. Don't forget pepper. Spray your dish really good with cooking spray. Brown 2 pounds of ground beef. Once browned, add your taco seasoning. Now you want to pour your ground beef in the bottom of your casserole dish. Then add your breading on top. You cover all the hamburger so that way that's all gives you a bedding for your topping. Now bake for 20 minutes. That's what it looks like after you pull it out of the oven. Now you want it to cool. You don't want to add anything to the top till it's done cooled. Let this cool for about 45 minutes. My husband is cutting the grass, so I have time to do it. But it's cool enough to do it now. I have some leftover sour cream from last week. I'm only going to put this on half of it because I think that's all we're going to eat. And so I don't want the lettuce and stuff to go bad. But if you're feeding everybody, you think they'll eat all of this, then you can most definitely put it all the way across. But I just don't want the ingredients to go bad. Once you put your sour cream on, then you want to add your lettuce, your cheese, tomatoes, you could add jalapeno peppers. You don't have to add the black olives. You can use less tomatoes. You do the top however way you want to do it. You could add green chilies in there, whatever you want. And then you're going to cut it up and serve it. If you like this recipe, give me a thumbs up. And y'all come back now. You hear?